Hello friends, so let's see how the move command works. So let's see, I just wanted to move this rectangle. See, this one rectangle. So for that I will just type here command move, MOVE, then press enter, right? Then it will ask you to select the object. See, I just wanted to move this object, so I will select this one, right? Just click here. Now it will ask you, once you just select the object, then press enter. Now it will ask you specify base point. See here, it is asking you specify base point, right? So I'm just taking my base point, this one here at the one of the corner of the rectangle, right? So now you can move this object, right? See, wherever you just wanted to, you can place it. See, you just wanted to, you can place it here. If you wanted, you can place it here at wherever you just want it, right? You can just place at any random location also. If you just wanted to place it here, you can place it here, right? So let me place it here. See, I can just move this object like this. And you have one more option to move. You can just, from this home tab, you can come to home tab and just select this move tool, right? Just select this one, and now it will work as previously. Just we have moved this object. You need to just select the object and press enter. Now it will ask you to specify base point. You can just specify your base point and put your object according to you, right? See, okay.